Okay, so here I am. I finally have it 99% done. I finished the casing, the brass casing, oxidized it, the entire machine. It works. I still have to do a couple of things, waiting on a key part, as well as I need to finish my drawer. But other than that, it is in working order. It's a 542 National, 19, I don't remember, 1911, 1912. I done it in brass and oxidized just highlighted the parts that I could, and the rest of it I left oxidized. If you want to run it, you can either punch in your amount, and we'll just do 75. Make sure you pinch your lever, and then just, oops, don't have that closed. That's the one I'm waiting on. And there it is, and it tells you the $75. There's my drawer that sorry, dropped you on your head, that I'm waiting on a few more parts as well. This drawer has the gold coin holder here, which I'm waiting on my key, and I have to refinish that lid, but I just thought that was pretty cool. This part I still have to sand down and get that done, but I'll walk you around it. This is the side view of it. And again, this is a part I'm waiting on. The number 5 lock I'm missing, so I've just have that to hold on to, hold it up. And then there's the back of it. Again, $75 is what I rang in. But all in all, I mean, it turned out, I think, beautiful compared to being pieces in a bucket and not working. But it's brass, red brass, bronze, whatever you want to call it. And I just love the two ends are just so ornate, and they highlighted very, very well. But again, it's done, and I'm proud of it. And now I'm not sure if I'm wanting to sell it or not. I'm sure I will for the right price, but it is a beautiful machine. Thank you.